What's going on, G Squad? It's your boy D, man, and welcome back to the channel, man. Hey, man, definitely wanted to take y'all with me today, man. Reconnect with y'all just a little bit, see what's popping, see what's going on, man. So today, I'm thrilled about. I'm excited. Finna do a connect with Jmalcolm, who's seen the SS several times in the past. The reason why I'm so thrilled is because, man, I get an opportunity to work with Jmalcolm and have Jmalcolm go over the SS, go over Gbody Whyte, man, to kind of help me out, make sure my combination is correct, make sure my combination will do something. Let's just put it like that, you know what I mean? And then on top of that, man, I'm gonna let Jmalcolm drive the whip. I'm gonna let him drive it. I'm gonna let him, you know, gun it, do whatever he need to do, man, to see where we can make some improvements at, man. There's nothing wrong with getting insight from other individuals, man, who know their thing, who know, who has knowledge, you know, that extends beyond yours in a certain field. You know what I mean? Nothing wrong with that. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I know Jmalcolm has a lot of knowledge about the motors, this, that, and the third. I've only started just kind of like building motors, you know, recently. You did. So do I know everything about it? No. Can I build a motor? Yes. But that don't necessarily mean, you know what I mean, my combo is as strong as the next man, this, that, and the third. So that's what we're gonna do, y'all. We finna go get some advice. We finna go get some insight on the motor, you did, and anything else, you did. I specifically, you know, asked them to let me know, where can I make improvements? What can I change? How can I make this thing better, quicker? You know, I want this thing to move, you did. So we're gonna do just that. But before we step out, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Definitely smash the notification bell, man. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops. I'm gonna go grab the keys. We gonna fire this up, get y'all a sound clip real quick, and we gonna ride, you did. So stay tuned. All right, man, so yeah, we in the car right now, man, riding. As you can see, man, I brung what I like to call the Bible, and that's my car Bible for the Monte, you did. That's just basically, man, they got all the receipts, every detail about the build, it's in that book, you did. So I'm gonna be sharing that with Jmalcolm as well, so he can have a full picture of what I got going, you did. So, ooh. Yeah, and the T's off. Woo! I love this car. So yeah, man, we're gonna get over here, man. So stay tuned, you did. Hey, man, I feel like that little white dude in Training Day. You know what I mean? Man, out here, man, I'm getting a lesson of that lifetime. This is experience, man, for real, for real. Jaden drove Gbody Whyte. Hey, look. Look crazy what's gonna drive Gbody Whyte. You already know what time it is. And Jay, I don't know what he thinking. He gonna let me drive R&B so I can get a feel for what's going on, so I can do some comparison on the way home. My man done gave me homework, y'all. He gave me a lot of homework. You know what I mean? So I ain't gonna scare you or nothing, Jay. Huh? I'm gonna scare you on my own car. I can hear your heartbeat from here. He's like, man, I don't know this man how to drive.
Nah, they right here good for you. Like, it gonna go good and straight, man. Ain't gonna be no worry. Man, I'm finna turn you to Ricky Bobby today. Turn me to Ricky Bobby.
I told you, man. Hey, learning lessons. But this is exactly what I wanted, man. Just so I can get an understanding of what I got going on, man. And a lot of work coming, you did. So stay tuned. And we back in, man. Woo! Yeah, I mean, hey, man, it really ain't nothing like being with good people, man. You know what I mean? So I appreciate, man. I appreciate Jmalcolm, man, for, you know what I mean, checking with your boy, checking in on this whip, man. And boy, that body gave me some food for thought, you did. So definitely gonna take what I learned today, man, back to the crib, man. We finna go to the drawing board, you did. Oh, and I'm definitely gonna be reconnecting with him, man, on some other stuff, man, you know what I mean? And that's what it is. You see, we riding right now, we back in Gbody Whyte, and we hooking and booking, you know what I mean? Finna go on head to the crib, so I'm gonna check back in once I touch back down, you did, so stay tuned. And we back, man, next day, man, so, bruh, after having, you know what I mean, Jay drive the whip, you know, we kind of discussed there's a few things I needed to do to the SS, a few changes I needed to do in order to maximize, you know what I mean, the power that I got in that build, and because of that, man, I'm in route, you dig? I mean, I'm in route. I'm in route to Summit. I've already ordered the parts. I'm finna pick these things up. Bad thing is, bro, I can't get started on, you know, adding the stuff to it because I got a show that I need to attend. I need to take the car to. I'm still on the fence about it, but I don't know. I'll take a day or two to kind of think things through, to see if I really do want to, you know, attend that show. If I decide not to, I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing the S's down for the winter, man. You know what I mean? This is that time where people start doing all kind of, you know what I mean, new upgrades to the whips, getting them situated for next season. And I want to start on mine as early as possible, because not only do I want to make sure I am completely done with the SS as far as like any motor or engine upgrades, but I want to also get started with the Malibu and I got to get the Malibu on all fours, man, moving on its own. The motor and everything is already, you know what I mean, I've already fired it up several times. Everything is connected on it. I just got to get the I got to get the, what do you call it? I got to get the drive shaft cut, get that connected, and I got to find a set of wheels to put on there, man. Oh, and I got to I should have put that on my Summit car too. I got to get a shifter for that transmission. Dang, I should have went ahead and put that on my Summit car too. I just thought about it, y'all, talking to y'all. But anywho, I got time for that, so it's all G. I might just buy it in cash, so it's all G. But anyways, man, we en route. Like I said, we're gonna go and head down here, man. We're gonna go and grab these parts up and go and scoot back to the house. It's early. I'm tired. I ain't had no coffee yet, and I gotta go get a haircut, and I gotta work. So we're gonna make this day happen, you did. So stay tuned. All right, and we back, man. So went and caught me another card. You know what I mean? Got the Flow Tech headers, long tubes. Cause what I got on this joint right now is some shorties. So we're gonna go ahead and change it up. Going bigger headers. Went ahead and got me a bigger radiator. I had this radiator before, man, and man, the joint just kind of like sat in a corner, and because the SS was running pretty good, I ain't had no overheating situation. So I just went ahead and took it back, but I think I should have just kept it, man. But anyways, so we got that, and then up under this thing, man, went ahead and got what do you call it? cross member, man. New cross member. For the 700. So little situation with that cross member. The cross member itself, man. I ordered that thing from Summit. It's supposed to be a Summit. All right. So in the comments of Summit, there was like, yo, this is G-Force cross member. When I got it, you know what I mean, it said G-Force. I kept looking for G-Force cross members on Summit site, and they don't sell it. So when I read the comments up under the Summit brand, it said it was a G-Force cross member, so I went ahead and got it. Well, my nerves got the best of me, y'all. So I went ahead and said, you know what, forget it, because when I pulled it out the box, it didn't say G-Force on it. I don't want no hang-ups, so I went ahead and ordered another cross member from another site that actually, you know, that's G-Force, and I'm gonna do some comparison first before I take it back, this Summit one. But that cross member is supposed to come tomorrow. When that cross member get here, I'm gonna do a comparison of the two, and we're gonna find out whether or not it is a G-Force cross member. That way, maybe the next person or whoever watched this, you can kind of save yourself some money if it is technically a G-Force cross member, or it looks like it's gonna fit the same or what have you. You might be able to save yourself some money by just grabbing a Summit cross member. You know what I mean? But it's strictly for G-Bodies, you dig? So with that being said, man, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, man. I'm gonna go ahead and shut shop on this. And as soon after this car show is done, this on the 5th of November, we're gonna go ahead and tear it down, you did? So stay tuned.